Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of CinemaSpace4K. Today I'm going to unbox this Ptron Volta 12W USB adapter. I bought this adapter because I bought a smartphone and it came with only a USB cable because it was bought refurbished. So I bought two of them because I may need one in the future. So without wasting much time, let's unbox the package. Some features are written in the box. Also note that this is the first 4K HDR 60fps video that is natively cinema-wide recorded with Sony Xperia 5 Mark II on this channel. So let us unbox the first product. It says made in India. This is a nice thing. Let's open the package. By the way, I bought this from Amazon for 149 rupees per piece. I bought the white color variant, both of them. So this is the USB adapter itself. It has a orange colored USB A port. Some specs are written on the charger itself. The current rating is 2.1 ampere, which is less than what is needed for 12 watts at 5 volts. Let us connect to a smartphone and charge test. I have used a Sony Xperia 5 to test the charging. Okay, let's plug it to the phone itself. This USB cable does not come with the chargers, so I have bought it separately. But as you can see, the phone is charging. Let us go to the battery settings and check if it's charging rapidly or not. As you can see, it just shows charging. There's no charging rapidly. That means this charger is not a fast charger. This is just 12 watt charger and you can expect it only delivered under 12 watts because if the charger is capable of 15 watts or higher, it would have shown charging rapidly. Overall, it's a good charger, and that's my unboxing and review about the Ptron Volta 12W USB adapter. The links to buy this adapter is in the description below, and thanks for watching.